Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart. I'm going to be doing the Heart Rag Rug Part 3.
Okay, now we're on our fifth round, and so we want to go ahead and chain 2, and the next stitch is going to be a half double crochet. So remember, we put our hook into the stitch and pull the fabric up and put the fabric over and pull through all 3 for the half double crochet. And then the next 2 stitches are half double crochets. Okay, and then the next stitch is 2 double crochets. In the double crochet, we pull through 2, wrap around, and pull through 2. And we want to put 2 of them in the same stitch. Okay, and then the next stitch is going to be 1 double crochet. Okay, and the next stitch after that is going to be 2 double crochet. Okay, and then the next stitch is 1 double crochet, and we're just going to keep alternating that. Okay, next stitch is 2 double crochet. Okay, next stitch is 1 double crochet. Next one is 2 double crochet. Next stitch is 1 double crochet. Okay, next stitch is 2 double crochets. Okay, the next stitch is going to be 1 double crochet. And the next stitch after that is going to be 2 double crochets. Okay, 1 double crochet is in the next one. Okay, do 2 double crochets into the next one. Okay, 1 double crochet into the next one. Okay, and we're going to do a half double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, now we're going to do 1 single crochet to the next stitch. Do 1 more single crochet into the next stitch, and then we're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, now 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, okay, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, okay, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, now we need 1 half double crochet into the next 9 stitches, okay, now we need 2 half double crochets into this chain 2 space. Okay, here we're just going to chain 1. Now we need 2 more half double crochets into the same chain space. Okay, now we need 1 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches, and remember that this is a stitch right here. Sometimes it gets buried a little bit. Okay, next one's a half double crochet stitch, next one is a half double crochet, okay, next one is a half double crochet, next one is a half double crochet, next one is a half double crochet. Okay, now we get to join with the chain 2 that we had just done at the very first start. So we'll just put our hook into the very top of the second chain, pull the fabric through, and we're just going to pull it through that loop that's on the hook.
Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the icon and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.